What is up, everyone? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? Before we get into this, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, because as I'm looking at it right now, and as I'm going to put in this picture, only 11.9% of you who watch these videos are subscribed. So let's change those numbers around, reversed. How about that? Yeah, that'd be cool. But if you didn't hear, and I just found this on Reddit today as I'm scrolling through and on the motocross subreddit, as of January 1st, 2021, I'm going to read this verbatim, quote unquote, this is the reason for the rule. All helmets must be intact and no modification may be made to their construction that alters the helmet from the condition it was tested and approved. The helmet is not made to provide protection. Oh, sorry. Scratch that. The helmet is made to provide protection and is not a platform to attach foreign objects. For example, cameras or other accessories are not, in bold letters, not permitted to be attached to the rider's helmet, unquote. This comes right from the 2021 AMA Racing Rulebook update. So, goodbye GoPro footage. Goodbye the little, I don't know what company makes them, but the little telemetry things that they stick on the top that shows you speed and, I'm assuming they're still going to have transponders in the front so they can still track timing, that's obviously. But you watch if you watch Supercross, they're sitting there going, oh, if this guy takes this line, it's X amount of feet shorter and he's doing it at this amount of speed. There goes all that. Which, I mean, that's not exactly the hugest thing to me. I watch it for the racing. I don't need to watch it for some color commentary fill. But, there goes all the GoPro track previews, because obviously the rule book says you can't have a helmet or camera on your helmet or anything else. So no telemetry, no GoPro footage. Who knows? I mean, is it the biggest thing in the world? No. Does it change how the broadcast has to work? Yes. You can't, obviously you don't get that free footage. You can't see, oh, well, let's go look at Adam C. and Cirillo's start from qualifying one and see where everyone is or what happened to this, that, da-da-da. Who knows? Especially the telemetry thing, because that's been a big thing for them in the last couple seasons, is showing, if you take an inside line, it's X amount of feet shorter compared to the outside line. You're carrying, 2 or 3 miles an hour less or more speed, or miles per hour through it. That's a pretty big thing, especially for teams too, just having that extra data, knowing that one line is empirically faster than the other because of its shorter, you're carrying more speed, whatever the reason may be. It's all gone now. To me, I don't know where this really comes from. I don't really think you've ever seen a GoPro attached to a helmet ever create a massive problem in a crash. Most of the time they just break off and you just see them fly down the track or whatever it is. I don't think they've ever really caused any massive external problem to it. But I guess, who knows, the AMA says something and now everyone has to follow it. So tell me down below, tell me in the comments, what do you think about this? Stupid rule, good rule, do you care either way? Is it going to change how you, if you watch it or not? Probably not. It's not going to change how I'm going to watch it. I'm still going to watch it and whatever. But yeah, comment down below. Tell me what you think. Tell me what your favorite, tell me what your favorite sandwich is. I've already done tacos. Tell me what your favorite sandwich is. Is it a sub? Do you call it a sub? Is it a hoagie? Is it a whatever you want to call it? Just comment down below, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.